Welcome to WebStarPress. In this video, I will show you how can you switch profiles in Visual Studio Code. It is useful because it lets you separate different workflows, extensions, themes, and settings for specific projects or tasks in Visual Studio Code. So to do that, from Visual Studio Code, click File, Preferences, Profile. You can see I have my custom profile that I'm using right now, that is MJK. I can switch to default profile if I like, or I can make more profiles by clicking Profiles. Here I can click New Profile button to create new profile. I can also adjust already existing profiles, or I can duplicate profile, I can export profile or delete profile from here. So this is how you can switch and manage different profiles in Visual Studio Code. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.